Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. May I introduce myself to you? My name is Uswatun Hasana. I come from Indramayu, West Java of Indonesia. I was born in Indramayu on 9 of February 2002. I am 23 years old and I am single. I am number 3 in my family. I have one sister and 2 brothers. My height is 152 cm. My weight is 62 kg. My education is senior high school. My religion is Muslim. My parents' occupation is a farmer. I have experience in Tangerang for 2 years, since 2022 until 2024. I do take care of one boy, he is 7 years old. I do washing, ironing, cleaning the bathroom, move the floor, sweep the floor, gardening, and do general housekeeping. I can take care of baby or children. I can take care of old-age elderly person. I can cook Indonesian food as vegetable soup, tamarind soup, fried rice, fried chicken, fried noodle, and balado egg. I am willing to learn Chinese cooking. I am willing to handle cut and cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim. I am not afraid of dog. I promise to finish my contract for 2 years. I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for my future and my family. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Introduce finished. I hope to see you in Singapore. Bye-bye.